Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Fantom today, but briefly I'm going to go over Bitcoin, let you guys know what's going on and what I think could be going on. I still think there's going to be a lower low on Bitcoin to break the 17,500. That's what I think. I think the DXY is going to peak up some more. You're probably going to see the energy stocks and oil and commodities maybe go up a little bit more, and that's going to drive the price of Bitcoin down. That's what I think. At least that's what I'm expecting. I've been wrong before. I've been wrong. My crystal ball can be wrong quite a bit, guys. But I think this could be on its journey down. Now, whether it's going to flip and maybe make a shot back up, it could. But I don't think so, guys. Now, here's the deal. Here's the deal. It's not a big deal. That's what it is. It's not a big deal. So Bitcoin will go down to 16,000, maybe 15,000. You know, if you're aggressive, you can start accumulating more. If you look at the smart money moves that's going on, when Bitcoin goes down to those areas, 17, 18,000, they're starting to pick it up. They're starting to pick it up. And I think that at that point, Bitcoin will be forming a bottom down there. That's what I think. Okay. The DXY is going to peak and then it's going to start trending down. I went over a video talking about the recession. We're not in a recession yet. I explained that completely in a video. It's just not there. The data is not telling me that. It is not there. The recession is coming. So at that point, when the DXY peaks, okay, and it starts going down and oil, commodities start trending down a little bit, Bitcoin can form the bottom and potentially start making a next wave run. Now, whether it's going to be a next wave bounce or a next wave run, that's open for debate. We will find out here in the next soon enough. I think in the next probably 30 days, we could possibly be finding out, maybe 45 days. We will see. I'm going to go over Fantom, show you guys some stuff. I'm going to review this because Fantom, in my opinion, is it's not retracing deep enough. If you want it to be a wave 2, okay. So I decided to check CoinTrader Pro, and you can see that the data is all there. The data is all there for Fantom, so I have it all over here too. Here's the issue I have with Fantom. You take a look at this retracement, okay, all the way up to that 5th wave. It hit the 0.382 perfectly. Okay, so here's the deal with that, guys. Here's the deal with that. The 0.382 is a 4th wave target. That is a 4th wave target, guys. Not a 2nd wave target on logarithmic. Now I'm going off of log to show you guys, if you retrace that whole wave, you see there's people that will use this area, 786, 886, 90%. It's already gone well beyond that. So you have to be careful with cryptocurrencies using that method, okay, in my opinion. Here's the deal with Fantom. I'm going to let you guys know that. There's something I think could be going on with it. Right here is maybe a 3rd wave. And something back here, this is a back here would be like a foundation or something like that. This is a possibility could be going on with Fantom. So back here is your 1, 2, here's a 3, potentially a 4, and then Fantom could be going into a 5th wave, possibly. If you count this at 0, this should be going down to 0. That's a possibility that it could be doing. The other possibility, if you see here, if I'm going to open up the RSI on Fantom, you can see, I'm going to open it up. You can see here that, let me go out to the daily. I'll show you guys. So I'm going to go to the daily chart. You see that Fantom is making a significant amount of bullish divergence. It's going to come down into these areas. I still have a 17-cent target. But either way, Fantom's doing something. It's coming up to complete a correction. Okay? Whether it's going to be a next wave bounce or a going into a bullish move, a 5th wave move, or 3rd wave move, it's open for debate. But in my opinion, it's completing the sequence right here. It's a 3 wave, and down for a 5, just like that. This is the 5 wave move that it did. Here's a 1, 2, this is the 3, here's a 4, and it's completing the 5th wave. Okay, I'll go into more detail in the wave in just a second. And what would that be? A 335 is an ABC or an expanded type flat move like this, A, B, C. Okay, and here's the deal with it too. If you use the fib, I run a fib on there, and just you go with the wick and without the wick. You know, with the wicks, 2.618 is right in that area, right there. That's where expanded flats like to hit. That's C waves, they like to hit 1.618 and 2.618. If I take out the the wicks, let me see, take out the wick a little bit. You know, it already hit 2.618. It's already well below that. So probably better to keep the wicks on this and keep it in on this move and see that area. So 17-cent area is going to be hitting, in my opinion. It could get down there, guys. So let's go into the area where Fantom is making its move. So this is the last wave, in my opinion. This is the 5th wave. How this is going to work out, I'm just right now, I'm putting it there. What makes sense right now. Okay. So things can change. You have to realize that. You have to be willing to be flexible, especially when it comes to this. It never goes as planned. Never. When you realize it never goes as planned, you can have a plan, but realize that plan is not usually working out really that well. It's all probabilities that you're working with here. So this is the top of the 4th wave to complete this 5th wave on Fantom. Okay. Swinging down for a 1, up for a 2. Here's the 3rd wave, lowest peak, and swinging up for a 4. Now, whether this 4 is going to drag out over here, it could go over here like this, just a long 4th wave, or it ended there. Don't know. That's a couple options. Just gonna have to wait and see. And this could be an A, some sort of B, and then a swing back down to a C like that is what could happen. Or it's not done and it's over here and it's going to swing down onto that 5th wave. And at the end of it, look at the overall big picture. I'm going to go back to the daily chart, guys, and show you. You see, it'll be bullish divergence. And then the move that Fantom can make, at a minimum, it's an X wave bounce from the top of that wave to say, let's say it goes 17 cents. See here my targets, 382, the 50%, 55%, and as high as $1.10. So 56 to as high as $1.06. Be looking for that 50%, 76 area. If not, Bitcoin goes down, completes a correction. So when this is going to come down when Bitcoin goes down, that's likely. So that's what's really nice about the cryptocurrency market, guys. You know, it's like, it's really, you know, you don't have to investigate this asset by itself. You're like, okay, well, Bitcoin's going up. This is going to go up. You know, you kind of, it's actually, I think it makes it easier because they all flow together. They all flow together like that. I think it makes it easier. At least it does for me. So I know Bitcoin is probably going to make a journey down and boom, Fantom goes down there and it's either going to go bullish, guys, into a next wave sequence, or it's going to do a next wave bounce. And you're looking at, you know, let's say right there is 141% and as high as 400%. And on the 5th wave move, if it happens to be this move of 5th wave, let me go out. I'm going to go out to the weekly chart for you guys. Take a look at that. Okay. If it happens to be a move like this, I'll show you. Let me get rid of that. Just like this, guys. Let's say it is making a move like this, and this is a 4th wave, and it's going into a 5th to the top of that, and come down to the 4th wave target. You know, it's going to be hard to do that. Yeah, I would not count on them getting quite that high, but certainly down here it's going to break all-time high. I think I have a target of like $6 for Fantom on its next move if it is actually bullish. So 50% would be a target. So 780. Here's 0.382 is just beyond it, $3, and then a 6, and then possibly a 7. So you're looking at some massive gains, guys. I mean, like 4,000% potentially. Okay. Keep it in the back of your mind that it could be an X wave bounce. So you have to pay attention to the waves that Fantom is going to be doing out of here. If it's a corrective wave, it'll be doing an ABC move. It'll move like this, something like that, guys. It won't be, you'll have an impulse move here and here, but it'll be a 3-wave move up, and then you'll know, boom, it's going to be coming back down to these areas. Okay. Just want to let you know that. That's the end of it for my Fantom video, guys. Pay close attention to this right now. I think something significant is coming up. I'm going over the alts. All the alts are coming in for completing a correction. So something is going to be going on here in the next 30, 45 days. Like I've been saying in my videos, I would definitely be paying attention to them. Be getting ready for some plays on some couple bounces that could be happening, in my opinion. That's what I think is going on. So if you made it all the way to the end of my video, I do appreciate you. New subscribers, appreciate you too. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.